In this website, in the first part, we discuss about the theme selection. After theme selection, any website, we are looking for two fields. This is called site icon. This is called your site logo. If you open any website like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, if you open any site, they're showing for only for logo. No, they're not showing for any content. So this is called your logo. This is called your favicon. This is called brand identity, favicon, and site icon. Some people call for favicon. Some people call for site icon. Some people call it a brand identity in interviews. So right now I don't have any logo and my brand icon. So first of all, my question. So I don't know how to design my logo or my icon. So how to select? So you can select one symbol of your name. Select on images. In the option call is tools. In this option call is sizes. Select option call is icons. In this icon, you can select any one icon. This is only your temporary purpose, not in a permanent. This icon you can copy on your desktop. Call R. Okay, done. So next one, I'm selecting for my logo also. That is called your wish for sizes. You go for medium or large, or else you can go for exact size. 500 by 500. Select by any logo on this option. So after select your logo and icon, you can change your logo and icon. First of all, go to option call is appearance on your dashboard. Option call is customize. In this customize, in this first option is called site identity. Which one? Site identity. First one, change your logo. Second one, change your icon. So first I'm selecting my icon using desktop. Add it. Done. Now click for publish. Here, look. Change my icon. Come into here. What is the first icon? W. Now I can refresh. Now it is called R. Next one, what is my logo? DM agency. Select it. I'm selecting my logo. So right now I'm showing for logo icon is I'm selecting for logo here. Select it. Click copy. When you're selecting logo time, you have disabled one option is called display site title and tagline. Click for publish. I can see previous DM agency. I can refresh. So this is my logo. This is my icon. Right now I don't have any logo. I'm selecting icon as a logo option. This is called your customized size. And here is a question. WordPress can I change a logo option? It means logo position. In a logo position depend on your theme. This is not a customize. If you are customized, it's done by developers in your premium sites. Free site is totally dependent by the theme base. We can't change your logo position. This is very important from your free website. So one is called size icon selection and site logo. Here only one thing you remember when you're selecting time, disable one option. Display site title and tagline. Why? Why? Because when you enable this option, we are showing for two options, logo and name. I can't display my website name. I can display only for logo, people for recognize purpose. So that is called, and disable this option. Click for publish. Is it clear? This is called logo. This is my icon updation. These are the, if you're starting for premium website or free website, these are the first implement for your website. Any kind of website. If you go for Amazon, any kind of website, so this is called the verify icon. K will be showing for site icon. What showing here? A. This is called your logo. These are two brand you are getting for your identity. One is called brand identity. Second is your brand name.